Hello students, on 23rd of March, your history paper is there. So here are a few instructions regarding your history paper. Your history paper will be of 40 marks, 28 for history and 12 for political science. Okay, all objective questions should be written with full sentences. Question 1A. See the notes they have given, that is all the activities and questions are compulsory. Means anyone, any two, whatever they are. Figures to the right indicate full marks. Figures to the right indicate full marks. Question number 1 to 5 are based on history. So 28 marks are for question 1 to 5. Here you can see. Question 1 to 5 for history and 6 to 9 for PS. That is political science. Means 1 to 5, 28 marks and 6 to 9, 12 marks. It's mandatory to write a complete statement as answer in question number 1A and 6. That is question 1A, fill in the blanks of history, and question number 6, fill in the blanks of political science. In question numbers 2A and 8B, the appropriate answers are expected to be written by pen only in the concept map. In question numbers 2A and 8B, the appropriate answers are expected to be written by pen only in the concept map. It means that in concept map, you should write the words with pen. Okay? Means there itself, you can draw the boxes with pen. Don't take pencil, it will waste your time. So, write the answers and draw the boxes by pen. The answers of question number 1A and B, question number 6 are repeated, then only first attempted answer will be considered. It means that if you will give two answers for one fill in the blanks, suppose the first English newspaper in India was started by James Augustus Hickey is the answer. But if you will write Michael Foucault also, then your first attempted answer will be considered as correct answer. Understood? Some students write it, some students overwrite it. So first answer will be considered as your correct answer. Now we will begin with our paper. Question 1A, choose the correct option from the given options and complete the sentence. See, 3 question answers are given here. 4 options are given. 4 options are given for each. For 1, 4 option, 2, 4 option, and 3, 4 option. 3 questions for 3 marks. See, if you don't know the answer, then also write any of the option so that you will get a mark by luckily. If the luckily that answer is correct, you will get the mark. Okay. So don't keep it blank. Fill in the blank should be filled by any of the option. Don't keep it blank while writing your answer sheet. So 3 marks for 3 fill in the blank. Next, question number 1B, identify the wrong pair and rewrite it. Wrong pair only you have to identify. Don't write the correct pair. No need to waste your time for writing correct pair. That option is dropped by the government itself. So don't write the correct pair. Though in your digest the correct pairs are given, you should not write it. Don't waste your time. 3 wrong pair will be given to you from it. See, identify the wrong pair. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. In these 4, 3 are correct and 1 will be wrong. That you have to pick it out. 1 you have to remove it out. And then you have to write it. The wrong pair is dash dash. Okay, the wrong pair is dash dash. You have to find out it. The answer should be the wrong pair is dash dash like that. Complete the following concept map any two. See, भारतवर्षीय प्राचीन ऐतिहासिक कोश, भारतवर्षीय मध्ययुगीन चरित्र कोश, 1932 what was discovered, 1946 what was discovered. This was really tough question for the last batch. It was the depending on the last lesson. Okay, so prepare it. If you have the problem related to objective questions, it means that you have not read the book thoroughly. Your textbook should be learned. Every lesson should be learned. Each and every line, हर एक लाइन आपकी लर्न होनी चाहिए टेक्स्ट बुक की, तभी आपको ये पूरा जो है रॉन्ग पेयर, कंसेप्ट मैप और फिल इन द ब्लैंक ये आपको सॉल्व करने आएगा. ओके, सो हियर कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग कंसेप्ट मैप एनी टू. फॉर 2 concept chart, it will be of 4 marks. Okay, see, this international sports was very easy. tangible cultural heritage. You know, you all know tangible and intangible. These two sources are there. Their differentiation is there. Write short notes on 4. See, subaltern history. At least half page short note you should write. Okay. Remember it, half page, not more lengthy also. The whole page don't write. Half page for subaltern history. That also made you should write main points. Suppose 4 marks are there for 2 short notes, means one will be having 2 marks. 2 marks, 4 points are necessary, okay, for short notes. In short note, paragraph wise you can write, and in question answers, point wise you should write. Explain the reasons also. Explain the following statement with reason also you should write point wise, okay. Only what you will do, after writing the answer, you should write, so we must preserve our natural and cultural heritage. So the knowledge of history is essential for newspaper articles. Okay. So whatever the question is given in for reasons, that reasons question should be written at the last by adding henceforth, by adding so, by adding in this way, thus, etc. So 2 statement with reason for 4 marks. Question number 4, read the extract and answer the question below. The extract will be from your textbook. Most of the things, it is from do you know. आपके टेक्स्ट बुक में जो डू यू नो का कॉलम है हर एक लेसन के बाद में या हर एक लेसन के इनसाइड में, तो डू यू नो के कॉलम के बेस्ट ये क्वेश्चन होता है ज्यादातर. मीन्स ऑलवेज इट इज नॉट लाइक दैट, बट मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम दिस पैसेज कम्स फ्रॉम डू यू नो. सो read it carefully. First, what happens, reading it takes so much time. So before reading the passage, you should read the questions first. आपको क्वेश्चन पहले रीड करनी है. क्वेश्चंस को कौन से आंसर चाहिए वही आपको सिर्फ पैसेज में ढूंढना है. where was the Sohagora copper plate found? In which script is Sohagora copper plate? तो हमें ये आंसर चाहिए तो हम लोग वही आंसर सिर्फ पैसेज में देखेंगे. So it will save your time. Okay. Question 4 for 4 marks. Answer the following question in detail, any 2. Now detail means 2 questions are there for 6 marks, means 3 marks are there. So at least 6 points are necessary. How can we correlate applied history with our present? Write in detail history of Akashvani. Many questions are there. 4 questions out of 4 you have to write 2. That is 6 marks. Okay. Already the paper pattern is with you. Before starting the 10th standard only, the paper pattern is given to you by your teachers. Okay. So all of you know how is the paper pattern. Question 5, any 2 out of 4 carrying 6 marks. Question 6. Now here from question 6, here PS begins. Here there will be label of political science. Okay. Choose the correct option from the given option and complete the statement. Now 2 marks are there. It is compulsory. Like question 1A. Question 1A was compulsory. B was compulsory. Same here question 6 is compulsory for all of you. Essence of democracy, etc. 2, fill in the blanks. For 2, remember it, you should write the full sentence for fill in the blank. For wrong pair, full sentence should be written. For true or false also, full sentence should be written. Question 7 is for true, false. But here, if the statement is false, you have to give the explanation for false. See, state whether the following statements are true or false, give reason. अगर आपका statement true है तो क्यों true है, अगर आपका statement false है तो क्यों false है. Give reasons for your answers. Judgments of courts on various subjects have made the political process in India more mature. तो ये सब आपको क्या करना है, डिनोट करना है. दिस स्टेटमेंट, द अबव स्टेटमेंट इज फॉल्स और ट्रू. द अबव स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू बिकॉज, अबव स्टेटमेंट इज फॉल्स, फॉल्स बिकॉज. फॉल्स का जब आपका एक्सप्लेनेशन आता है, व्हेन यू विल राइट द फॉल्स एक्सप्लेनेशन, फॉल्स स्टेटमेंट एक्सप्लेनेशन, एट लास्ट यू हैव टू राइट द लास्ट का जो आपका सेंटेंस होगा उसको आपको ऐड करना है. सेपरेट पॉइंट नहीं बनाया लेकिन उसको आपको ऐड करना है. करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट को आपको उसको उसमें ऐड करना है. क्वेश्चन 7, रिमेंबर इट. फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट का करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट जरूरी होता है. 1 sentence 2 marks, second sentence any 2 are there now, so second sentence will also carry 2 marks. Only for true statement 1 mark for true, 1 mark for explanation, and if the statement is false 1 mark for false, and here 1.5 mark. Understood? Half mark for false and 1.5 mark more will be for explanation. Question 8, write the following concept, multi-party system, water regulation. Many examples will be there and you have to write the concept for 2 marks. Only one concept for 2 marks. Do as directed. Now see, flow chart is like this. Okay, one after another. Concept chart, as you all know, what is concept chart? I will show you. This is concept chart. This is flow chart. and one of the tree diagram, that kid, parents, then their kids, then their kids' kids, that is called tree diagram. So concept diagram and flow chart is different. Okay, so remember it. Here, any one concept chart you have to solve and you have to write 2 marks. See, any one concept chart for 2 marks. It means any one only you have to draw the concept chart. Remember it. Concept chart, it should be written by pen. Boxes, you should draw with pen immediately. Don't take scale in your hand. It will waste your time. So don't take scale directly. You can, after writing, you can draw the boxes by pen itself. Answer in brief. 2 questions for 2 marks. Answer in brief. Any one question is there for 2 marks. Any one question for 2 marks. Out of 2, 1 question is there, and you will get the 2 marks. Which decisions of the court has resulted in protection of honor and dignity of women, like act against domestic violence? All you knows. Okay. See, most of the characteristics, features like these questions are there. Suppose characteristics of movements, characteristics of governance, features of governance, etc. So remember it in this way. If you have any doubt, just comment on WhatsApp. Okay. Thank you everyone, and best of luck for your history paper. Don't be scared and make your own history of your mark record. Okay. You will break the record of your marks. You will create history by your own performance. Okay. Good luck. Thank you.